Good morning to all of you. BSc SY Physics, semester 3rd, paper number 7, Statistical Physics, Electromagnetics and Theory of Relativity. Unit 1st, Statistical Basis and Thermodynamics. Hello student, welcome to all of you. In previous period, we had learned or studied the combination. What is meant by the combination? The definition of combination is the number of group, that is meaningful combination of indistinguishable object taking R at a time. Mathematically, it is denoted by NCR, that is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. This is the definition of combination. For example, we also define the combination is NCR, that is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. This is the mathematical definition of combination. For example, the combination of four objects A, B, C and D taking two at a time are AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Only 6 combination. They can be written as or 4C2, that is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 4 minus 2 bracket close factorial, that equal to 6. Dear student, in this period, today I am going to discuss on the thermodynamic probability. First of all, we can define the thermodynamic probability. But dear student, we know that according to Albert Einstein, education is not a learning of fact, but the turning of the mind to think. Dear student, life is a journey with problem to solve and lesson to learn, but most of all, experiences to enjoy. In this period, we take the next article is the thermodynamic probability. First of all, we define the thermodynamic probability. The number of microstate corresponding to any given macrostate is called the thermodynamic probability. In other words, the thermodynamic probability of a particle macrostate is defined as the number of microstate corresponding to that macrostate is called thermodynamic probability. It is denoted by thermodynamic probability is denoted by omega or symbol ohm. For a cases of n particles and 2 compartment. Compartment is also called cells. If R is the number of particles in the compartment 1 and remaining n minus R are in compartment 2, then the number of meaningful arrangement is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial in bracket n minus R factorial, that is equal to NCR. Therefore, this is the definition of thermodynamic probability. Therefore, the number of microstate in a macrostate in bracket R comma n minus R or thermodynamic probability is omega in bracket ohm, that is equal to NCR, that equal to n factorial divided by r factorial in bracket n minus r bracket close factorial. This is to a system of 4 distinguishable particles for macrostate in bracket 1 comma 3 r is equal to 1 n minus 1 r that is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. Hence the thermodynamic probability omega of Ohm that gives rise to the equal to the 4. This is the short information about the thermodynamic probability. In short, we define thermodynamic probability is the number of microstate corresponding to that of macrostate is called thermodynamic probability, and it is denoted by omega, and in mathematically that equal to n factorial divided by r factorial in bracket n minus r bracket close factorial. This is the short summary of thermodynamic probability. In next article, we take the next article is ensemble and average property. Dear student, you always remember, faith makes everything possible, hope makes everything work, love makes everything beautiful. May have all the three as you begin each day. First of all, we discuss on ensemble and average properties. In statistical mechanics, an ensemble is a collection of identical systems with accessible microstate represented in with equal frequency. Figure shows an ensemble for a system of 4 particles in 2 equal compartments. Compartment is also called the cells. Consider a system of 4 particles in 2 similar compartments. The system has 16 different boxes. Consider one system which at a time t is equal to 0 has a particular microstate, say in bracket AB, CD. Then, due to the interaction among the particles, the system will pass through all the accessible microstate as time passes, isn't it? We may find that same microstate repeat frequently than the other, but if we observe for long time, then we should exact all the microstate repeated with equal frequency. In present case of 16 accessible state, suppose we make 48 observation in all, then we accept that each microstate should appear just 3 times in the table, but in practice some microstate may occur even 7 times and some microstates may not occur at all these 48 observation. On the other hand, if we make 48 into 10 to the power 20 observation in all, then the observed frequency of each of 16 microstate would not be different from 3 into 10 to the power 20 by more than 1 part in 10 to the power 20. In this case, we can see that we may either make these 48 into 10 to the power 20 times observation on a single particle system, or at a single time on a collection of 48 into 10 to the power 20 identical systems. The conclusion would be the same. We take into consideration the postulate of equal priori probability. It is a fundamental postulate of statistical mechanics, and it says a system can exist in each of the accessible microstate with equal probability. In other words, no preference is to be given to any one or more microstate over others. Dear student, the probability of particular macrostate is given by the number of microstate falling under it divided by the total number of accessible microstate. Consider a macrostate be designated by or represented by a suffix j. J is a macrostate and Wj represent the frequency with which it occurs in the ensemble, that is the number of microstate falling under jth macrostate, and then the probability of occurrence of the jth microstate is given by Pj is the probability that equal to Wj divided by summation of Wj. This is the first equation. In this equation, Pj is the probability, Wj is the frequency with which it occurs in the ensembles, and summation of Wj is the total frequency with which it occurs in ensembles. If any property x may be energy or one component of momentum or anything has the values x in the jth microstate, then average values of this property over the ensemble denoted by x bar or less than x greater than is given by the average values of x, average property x bar, that is equal to summation of j into xj pj, that equal to summation of xj wj divided by summation of wj. This is the second equation. This equation represent, this is the average properties of an ensembles. This is the information about the ensemble and average property. Dear student, you know some thinkers thought the inspiration moves one from pessimism to optimism, from doubt to faith, from despair to hope, and from darkness to light. You remember some important thought, and lastly we take the last but one article is entropy and probability. In this article, first of all we define the entropy, and according to statistical definition of entropy, the entropy is the product of Boltzmann's constant K and natural log of thermodynamic probability W. Entropy is denoted by S. Thus, the concept of entropy is applicable to any microstate, whether most probable or not. In this respect, entropy differs from other state variable like pressure, volume and temperature, which is only applied to equilibrium state. If the system in a state of equilibrium, it is the most probable macro state, so that W is equal to W max. For equilibrium state, S is equal to K log of W max, where S is the entropy and K is Boltzmann's constant. Unit of entropy. The unit of entropy is, as log of W is a mere number having no dimension, the dimension of entropy S are the same as that of K. That is, org for K on the CJ system and joules per K on the MK system or SI system. This is the unit of entropy. We know that the proof of Boltzmann's entropy relation with probability is, according to thermodynamics, the function entropy S of a system is related with temperature T by the relation 1 upon T, that equal to dou S divided by dou E. This is the first equation. According to the approach of statistical mechanics, by using some other equations, we write 1 upon T, that equal to K beta, that equal to K. The value of beta is dou upon dou E log of omega. This is the second equation. Equating equation first and to second, we have dou S upon dou E, that is equal to K dou by dou E log of W. This is the third equation. Integrating, we get S is equal to K log of W. This is the relation between the entropy and probability. This is the required relation between entropy and thermodynamic probability. It is also called as Boltzmann's entropy relation, where K is universal constant is called Boltzmann's constant. The constant of integration is treated as 0 because we are interested in changes in entropy and not in its absolute values. Thus, the Boltzmann's entropy relation states that the entropy of a system is proportional to the logarithm of thermodynamic probability of that system. The law that the entropy of the universe always tends to increase. Now, W always tends to increase, which in turns simply that the universe always changes towards the statistical more probable state. This is the information about the entropy and thermodynamic probability. Dear student, you always remember that some thought is God doesn't create a lock without its key, and God doesn't give you problem without its solution. Trust Him. Thank you so much.